Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we learn about Power Query Editor user interface. In this video, we will be learning about data transformation using Power Query Editor part 1. Let's take a look at the agenda of this video. In this session, we will be learning how to clean and transform raw data to make it suitable for analysis. Here are the key tasks we will cover. We will delete a dataset. We will be removing unnecessary rows, using the first row as headers, separating data from a column to a new column, removing unwanted data from a column, renaming a column, splitting a column into two parts, extracting the year from a date column, moving columns from one position to another, and finally filtering and sorting the data. Before we begin transforming, let's understand what kind of issues are present in our dataset. We may find problems like rows that contain null values, columns names starting from the third row instead of the first, email and phone numbers stored in a single column, column names that don't describe the data, first and last names stored together, a date column without the year explicitly mentioned, and data that is not stored by product. Let's take a look at the data. We have many issues here. Our goal is to clean the data so it meets the requirements like there should be no null values, column names should be present in the header row, email and phone numbers should be in separate columns, column names should be meaningful, first and last names should be split in separate columns, there should be a dedicated column for the year, and finally, the data should be sorted properly by product. The initial two rows are having null values. We will remove these rows. We will go to remove rows and write 2 there. The initial two rows will be removed. Now we will select the first row and select use first row as headers. Now we are selecting contact info column. We will go to add column tab. We will select extract function, use text after delimiter and use comma there and click on OK. Now we will rename this newly created column to phone and we will go to contact info column again. We will go to transform tab, select extract, select text before delimiter and use comma there. Now we will rename this column to email. Now we are selecting customer name column and we will go to split column, select by delimiter, select space, select leftmost delimiter and click on OK. Rename the separated columns as first name and last name. Now we will go to date column, go to add column tab, select date function, select year there, and the new year column will be created. We will uncheck select all and select only 2016 and 2015 because we are using data for the previous 2 years. We will go to products column and we will select sort ascending. Adjust the places of the columns according to your choice. The data has reached the desired state as all the issues are now resolved. And that's it. In the next video, we will continue for the part 2 for data transformation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.